Today we are going to learn to solve and check two-step equations. Two-step equations will have two operations. You will solve them by using the opposite operations on them. Examples of two-step equations are 2x plus 4. It has multiplication and addition. Another two-step equation could be b divided by 4 minus 4, which has division and subtraction. The first step to solve the equation is to do the opposite of the constant first. You're either going to add or subtract. The constant is the number that's all by itself at the end or beginning sometimes of the equation. It does not have a variable with it. The second step to solve the equation is to do the opposite of the variable operation. So you will either multiply or divide. The variable is the letter. So whatever's happening to the letter is what you will do to solve it. So if we have the problem 2x minus 4 equals 12, what should you do first? Well, since we have minus 4 here, we need to add 4 because addition is the opposite of subtraction. And whatever we're going to do to one side of the equation, we have to do the other side of the equation. And the equation is split into two sides by the equal sign. What we would do second is we would have to do the opposite operation of what's being done to the variable. Since the variable is 2x, and that means 2 times x, we would have to divide both sides by 2, because that is the opposite of multiplying by 2. So here's what that will look like. 2x minus 4 equals 12. So first add 4 to both sides. Then we have to do the math there. Minus 4 and plus 4 are going to cancel out. We're just going to have 2x left here. We'll bring that down. And then 12 plus 4 is 16. So that gives us 2x equals 16. Second, we're going to divide both sides by 2 because this is 2 times x. The opposite of that is divide. You can write divide by 2 like this. We have to do it to both sides of the equal sign. And then what happens is these 2 divided by 2 is just 1. That leaves just the letter. So those 2's cancel out. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that means x equals 8 is our answer. How can we check our answer? We check our answer by replacing the variable with the answer. This time we're not doing things to both sides. We are only working on the side that has the variable. Only that side will change. It will always be equals 12 for this part. What we want is that if we put the number in here for x that we say it's supposed to be, this side, the 2x minus 4, when we do the math there, should be equal to 12. So replace the variable with the answer. We said x was equal to 8. So now we have 2 times 8 minus 4 equals 12. Then we got to do our multiplication or division first, PEMDAS. 2 times 8 is 16. So now we have 16 minus 4 equals 12. And then now we do our addition or subtraction. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 equals 12. Both sides of the equation should be equal if they're not. So if we don't have 12 equals 12, if we would have got some other number, then we would have the wrong answer. So we would have to go back and fix that. Your